Here we are on BDB News with a live weather report. Over to you, Benzion.
Here we are with the BDB News weather update. It is 26 degrees and snowing. It is 74% humidity and about 1 mile an hour winds. Tomorrow will be about partly cloudy with like 35-degree high. In 2 days it will be very snowy, wintry mix. Thank you. BDB News weather.
Thank you, Benzion. We just heard breaking news that two kids were fighting over which one's better, viruses or bacterium. We'll show you the video right after a short break.
Let's go! 50 Omaha said hot. Right there, nice. Losing feeling in my toes. Nothing beats that new car smell. Chicken parm, you taste so good.
Nationwide is on your side.
We're back on BDB News. We're about to show you the fight between the two kids over which one's better, viruses or bacteria. Viruses is the best. Viruses is the best. Viruses is the best. Bacteria, brother! Bacteria always wins! Yeah!
The video we just showed you, the two boys just hired lawyers and they're going to court to fight out which is better, bacteria or viruses. This is a very big case and it ran all the way to the Supreme Court. We'll tune into that shortly.
Honor, case number 1234, bacterium versus viruses.
Attorneys, please state your appearances for the record.
Good evening, Your Honor. I am Benzion Rothenberg from the Rothenberg Law Firm, representing plaintiff bacteria.
Good evening, Your Honor. I am David Rosazada from the Rosazada Law Firm, representing defendant viruses. Plaintiff, proceed with your case.
Bacteria. A member of a large group of unicellular microorganisms that have cell walls but lack organelles. Bacteria aren't all bad. In fact, you couldn't survive without some bacteria. Good bacteria in your gut, probiotics like GIJ, help digest your food and fight invading microbes. Good bacteria are used in making some of the dairy products you like to eat, like yogurt and milk. And also, they help make some types of medicines. Bacteria are some of the best decomposers. They break down dead and decaying organic matter, from leaves to insects. Best of all, bacteria are being used to clean up oil spills to keep your environment healthy too. Thank you.
Thank you. Defendant, proceed with your case. Bad bacteria like pathogen make you sick, while other bad bacteria spoil your food and water, making it unsafe. They take any chance they get to take over. Remember, bacteria can make copies of themselves very quickly, so just one bad bacterium can make you sick or spoil your food. Thank you, defendant. Defendant, do you have anything else to say? No. Defendant, please proceed to viruses. A virus is a small infectious agent that replicates only inside the living cells of other organisms. One virus that did make a huge difference, though, was the cowpox virus. It was because of the cowpox virus that you can be vaccinated against lots of nasty diseases today. Viruses have very clever ways of attacking all types of cells, including bacteria. Scientists are trying to find ways of using these viruses to kill bacteria instead of antibiotics. One day might change life. Thank you.
Viruses are terrible. Viruses can make you and people around you very sick. They cause lots of different diseases, from cold sores and warts to measles, colds, and the flu. They can be very contagious. They spread very quickly from one person to another. They can even spread in the air in droplets that form when people cough or sneeze, or from surfaces like door handles and telephones. There are very few medicines for viruses. Antibiotics don't work on viruses, so there's no point in taking them. So if you get one, it's very hard to get rid of it. Thank you.
Thank you, plaintiff.
We live in a dangerous world. Accidents lurking everywhere, and when you least expect it, it happens to you. You're harmed due to someone's negligence. You're hurt due to someone's carelessness. You're injured at work. Don't be afraid to call me, Alan Rothenberg. I'll make sure nothing unless and until we win. Make that call. 1-800-624-8888. I'll fight for you because you shouldn't have to fight for yourself.
Case closed. Bacteria wins. Thank you very much. You won. Thank you very much. You lost. Thank you for watching BDB News.